Understand? 4 plus 4 equals 18. Mali. Gawin mo tama ang sagot. 4 plus 4 equals 18. Wrong. Correct the equation. Two stick move. Two stick move. 100. Two stick move. Hi mga pasol, please follow my page, Stanley Vlog. Sa lahat ng mga followers and viewers, share ma'am. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at pag-like, share ng aming mga videos. Maraming salamat po. Share ma'am. 4 plus 4 equals 18. Wrong equation. Correct the equation. Now.
Ha 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 ha!